yeah, baby. Today we are bringing smoke into the steaks and finding out how much smoke is needed to make steaks awesome. And if you never smoke your steaks, it's time for you to go and try it right away because the results can make the angels sing. Because what a bit of smoke can bring into the meat is something you will remember forever. So, what is this experiment about? Well, the idea is to add smoke to the meat and find out how long a steak should be smoked for it to taste amazing. And with amazing, I mean not too smoky, not too plain, but the right amount. And for that, I have this little utensil here. Yes, I mean, no, this is not what your dirty mind is thinking. This is a smoker tube. We are not using a smoker because based on my previous experiments, adding heat to the equation will make the results very similar to each other. And this is something that should be done as part of the preparation for the steaks. Also, I recognize that not all of you guys have a smoker at home. And this is something you can easily get on Amazon for $12. Links as always in the description. So, we will cold smoke the steaks using this tube and a few pellets. If you've never seen something like this before, it is very simple. Fill up with pellets, light on the top and set them on the grill to add that amazing smoke flavors to the meats. And now let me tell you how we will run this experiment. Oh, you there? I have here 4 beautiful black Angus steaks I got from my favorite store in South Florida, Broward Meat and Fish, and asked them to cut each steak at 1 inch thick. So for the first steak, we will be cold smoking for a total of 2 hours. The second steak will be there for 1.5 hours. The third steak will be smoked for 1 total hour. And the last steak is going to be only smoked for 30 minutes. And yes, we don't have any control because we already know how a steak tastes like without smoke. Now, to make this experiment as fair as possible, I will not season them until they are fully smoked. The difference is that some steaks will be exposed to the seasoning for a longer time, and that will for sure change the flavors of the meat. And with all that said, it's time to add our first steak and set the timer on. First steak goes into the grill with the smoke. After half an hour, I will set the second steak on the grill too. Again, 1 hour into the experiment, we will add the third steak into the smoking grill. And the last one will be exposed to the smoke for only 30 minutes. After the time is up, we will remove them all from the smoke. Clean up the tube and season the steaks. As you can see, the meat is not cooked at all, but the smells. Oh my God, that is the 2 hours one, and it smells like smoked brisket. Anyway, for the seasoning, I will add sea salt and pepper to the steaks and let them rest with the seasoning on while the grill is getting ready. Now the steaks are going back into the grill for cooking in the cool zone. And they will be there until the internal temperature gets to 120 degrees. At that point, I will sear them up over the fire and let them rest for 10 minutes before cutting into it. Well guys, we have everything ready and Miss Ninja is the one that is going to tell us which one she liked the best. I haven't tried it, I was real tempted, but I hold myself and I want to try it with her just to see which one is the best, guys, because
today we have a whole alphabet, A, B, C,
A,
D.
B, C, D, and we started with A.
A.
B, C, and D, okay?
There you go.
Let's go with A. Where's the knife? I forgot the knife. All right, we have the knife.
Yes, dangerous.
And we're gonna give it a try. Little one for Miss Ninja. Miss
Yeah,
Ninja doesn't like the fat.
Yum, yum, yum,
A lot of
yum.
requirements here.
Let's do it.
Man, it's hot. Let's
It is
go.
hot. I'm confused.
Wow. Wow.
Is this dry age?
No, it's not dry age. Wow.
Amazing.
It tastes like dry age,
It
guys.
does.
She just brought it up. Man, it's so good. Let's try number B. Let's see number B.
Okay.
Number B. Let's go, Miss Ninja.
Let's do it.
Number B. Number B is good.
Are you sure this is not dry age?
It's not dry age.
Okay.
Let's go for number C real quick here. Oh man, so much meat. Everything is falling apart.
I know. It's only two of us, and look at all of this.
Oh,
Where's my piece?
there.
Okay.
Number C.
There you go.
Number C is more tender.
Yeah.
But what else? What else? Is lacking on something? What do you think is lacking?
It doesn't taste like number A that it was like dry age.
It doesn't have the beefy
Intensity.
flavor,
The
intensity of the
intensity.
flavor. All right, let's go for number D. So
What
we
is
can
it?
have this thing figure it out. All right. Number C for Miss. Number D for Miss Ninja. Number D for the Ninja.
Tenderness even more. Flavor a little bit less. Okay.
Okay, which is your favorite, Miss Ninja? Tell me which is your favorite.
Are we going for what? Flavor? Tenderness?
What is your favorite? All of them.
Number A.
Number 8 is her favorite. Wow, Miss Ninja, you're always complaining that dry aged meat is a little too much for you and all that stuff because number 8 is delicious, brother.
Did you approve? And sisters. And
you
sisters.
know that number 8 was the one that was smoking for 2 hours. The flavor got in there
really?
intense. You can feel that beautiful hickory wood in there. The flavors of the wood are there. But I should tell you this. As you can see, it overcooked a little bit. So what that means is that all
That's
that
what
smoke that got in there throw a lot of the moisture off. And you have to be careful when you cook it. You have to, I would say if you're going to do something like that, you have to treat it like it was a dry age. But this is freaking delicious.
Okay. You got me on this one. I mean, I was confused. I really swear number 8 was dry age.
The flavor, guys. The flavors is the big deal here. Again, the meat loses a little bit of moisture, but it's tender. It's really beefy. And the flavors are crazy, guys. But with all this said, man, I have to ask you a question.
But
Did I make you hungry?
did we?
If we made you hungry, you had to hit us with the like.
Lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends
Yes,
and family.
do so.
And don't forget to share these videos on your social network because that helps us a lot. And this is something delicious that everybody needs to know about it. That's all for today. But remember that I love you.
Love you too. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.
Let me know down there if you like this test, man, because this one was good.
Do it. Bye.